Hello everyone, this is Jim. Today I will introduce video-3E CST Control Mode. First, what's CST control? CST means cycling synchronous torque control. And in this control mode, our upper controller, PLC, will send the calculated target torque to our servo driver. And the object dictionary of this target torque is 60671, and after our servo will perform according to the target torque. When the speed reaches the limited value, the speed will be limited and keep in our limited value. Here are some input and output objects. For example, servo control mode, target torque, torque offset, and some speed limit. Here are some applications of CST control mode, usually for CNC and automatic welding machine. This is a very common application. And also it will used in injection molding machine. Okay. Some related objects dictionary. Here, these two pages have these parameters are related to CST control mode, and the objects I marked with red color means is more important in this control mode. First, this one is used to 60 is used to set the operation mode, and 6071 used to set our target torque, and 6072 is our max torque, and also 6077 this is the value feedback from our driver to PLC. And also we need to set the forward torque limit and backward torque limit for our driver. Servo mode selection. Here we need to set this parameter as 10. 10 means CST control. This is our servo panel display. You can see here first two is our CN5 and CN6 light. And the first number means the communication status. Second number means our control mode. Here CST for CST control mode it will display A. And the last two is our servo status. So if we want to run in CST mode, here should display 8A and RN. Okay, here target torque. This one, and our max torque setting. If the actual torque is reaching this max torque, and for where our driver will report error 37. 37 means over torque. And here are some torque limit parameter. As I said just now, here 60E0 and 60E1 is forward and reverse direction torque limit, and 6075F is our speed limit. Okay, here for speed limit source in our VD3 we have different source. 0 means internal limit, so we can use parameter P1 and 17, P1 and 18 to set the speed limit. If we set this parameter as 2, it means our driver will use its catch source. So we can use 607F. Use this parameter to set our speed limit. And also for torque limit, we also have different source. 0 means internal torque source, internal torque limit. We can set it in P115 and P116. And also if we set this parameter as 2, then our driver will use EtherCAT object dictionary to set the torque limit. And here, for forward torque and backward torque, is depend on 6072 and 60E0 and 60E1. Okay, now I will show you how to control our VD3E with LX6C for CST control. First, we need to log in our PLC. Here, double-click device, and in communication settings, we can select our PLC and log in. Here, PLC IP and PC IP should be in the same LAN, and our default IP of 6C is 192.168.8.8. Okay, next step, we need to add servo access. Also, right-click device and add EtherCAT master. And right-click this master and add device. Here, select our servo ESI file. And continue to add our axis. Okay. Okay, and later we need to set the EtherCAT MAC. Here you can select according by name and select this ETH1. And now we need to configure the PDO. First, double-click here and check this export setting, and add our objects dictionary of these two parameters to our PDO, to our RPDO. T is target torque and speed limit. And later do the IO mapping. Here you need to add some variable in your program first and map these two address to your variable. For the control mode, you can use this function block to set our driver to torque control mode. Okay, let's check it in program. First, here first log in. Okay, and use this MC power to enable our driver. Set the control mode to torque control. And this is our speed limit. This value means 600 RPM. Because I'm connecting a 16 bits motor. And also let's check the torque first. You can see the torque is 0 now. Let's set the torque to 50. 50 means 5%. And we check. Now you can see the torque is about 5%, and then the speed is about 380. We can continue to increase our torque. to 6%. And we can see now the speed is already limited in 600 RPM. Okay. Set the torque at 0, and the motor is stopped now. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your watching.